Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Zapier with Gmail in 2024. So if you handle a lot of emails and are looking as example for more ways to automate tasks like saving attachments as example, responding to specific emails, or organizing your inbox, Zapier is a tool for you. So I'll walk you through the process of setting up automated workflows that connect Gmail with our apps to help you boost your productivity. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, you can simply just go to this URL section. Here, make sure to go, first of all, to your Gmail account, and second of all, to your Zapier account. If it's your first time, basically, you'll be taken to those pages on Zapier and also on your like Gmail. So let me just go and open that. So, as an example for Zapier, you'll find yourself here. And as you can see in here, you can start creating an account using a Google account if you have that, or you can even start with email. If you have an account, of course, to log in into, you can log in using like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, and you can create an account just using Google. So if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your accounts, as you can see in here, the same will be for creating an account. You'll find just the Google option. So for Gmail, as you can see, you would like to have a Gmail account to connect into. If you don't have it, just go and click on create an account for personal user or business. It's up to you to choose from that. And yeah, you should be afterwards good to go. So you should be logged in and you should be good to go. So once you're logged in into your Gmail and Zapier, you should find yourself here. So the first thing that we'll like to do to use Gmail into Zapier is to connect Gmail into Zapier. How to do that? Basically, if you go to this left panel and click on this apps option, you'll find yourself on another page, which is this page. All you need to do here is just go to the search apps section in here, then type Gmail. Once you type Gmail, you'll find Gmail here. As you can see, it's already connected for me, but basically for you, you can just go and click on connect, or you should actually to connect it. As you can see, this should take only 1 second, so be patient a little bit. As you can see in here, they tell you to choose which accounts if you have multiple to connect into. For me, I'll just choose this one. And as you can see, by continuing, Google will share your name, email address, language preferences, and profile picture with the Zapier. You can see the privacy policy and terms of service of that if you care, of course, about it. So it's up to you, of course, to read it or not. And of course, you can manage your sign-in through Google account, which is very known. So click on continue. And of course, if you try to connect it together, this will allow Zapier to manage drafts and send emails, read, compose, and send emails from your Gmail account. So if you agree to that, you'll have to allow it. Of course, it will not do that if you didn't ask it to, or if you didn't automate some stuff. So you don't have to worry about it, as an example. And make sure to trust Zapier as an example. You may be sharing sensitive info with the site. Yeah, it's fine. So don't worry, Zapier is totally safe. So just go and click on allow, and this should create the connection between the two. As you said before, or as I said before, I already have like connected in here, as you can see. So I'll just go and remove this connection. I don't need these two connections from the same account. So once you connect it, all you need to do, just go to create here at the top left, click on it, then click on Zaps. Once you click on Zaps, of course, they'll take you to another page where the fun starts, where you can start automating some stuff. You can start choosing the trigger and the action by your own, or as an example, you can simply use this Copilot or this AI tool to help you automate stuff. So what do you want exactly to use Gmail with? You can use it simplifying or right away with your Zapier account, as example, with workbooks, as example, with the I don't know, host books or something like that that they have in here in Zapier, which is very useful. It should be, yeah, this webhooks. It's very useful. You can connect it with other account, like maybe a Microsoft account, maybe to create, maybe when you receive an email to create a post on Instagram, maybe, I don't know, you can do unlimited stuff. You can connect up to 7,000 apps together using the Zapier. If you want to do it manually, you can choose the trigger and actions manually. If you don't, you can simply just go here to Copilot and type whatever you want. So as an example, I'll just type here connect Gmail with, I don't know, what they want to connect it with. Maybe Slack. So when I receive maybe an email or something, they send a message as Slack or something like that. Why not? You can do the opposite thing. It's up to you. So an example here, copilots will suggest something. So an example, when I receive new emails, send channel messages on Slack. Why not? Click on add all the steps. So in here, you'll have to click on Gmail and of course choose like the app. For me, I've already done this, so I don't have to do it again. So example here, the apps, the trigger events, which is new email, account, of course, configuring, because if you choose like the action or new email, you'll have to choose to add configuration of it, like which mailbox you will receive it. So you can choose all, and then you have to test it. Of course, just once this finished, click on test trigger. Once it's tested, you'll find the check button if everything is working good. If not, they will tell you where the error is, example, and you'll have to fix it. For Slack, it's going to be the same. So for action events, we choose channel message. So you'll have to choose, I guess, the channel and then the message. Once you're done with this, go to the test option as example. So you'll have to choose, I'll just go to the journal. So test email as example. The message will be email is received. So email is received. As example, okay, you don't write received like that. So the email is received, why not? And I'll add a small like this. Yeah, all good. As example, any other additional thing, you'll have to add it. As you can see, all the other informations, you'll have to add it like here and etc. Then once you finish all that, click on continue, then click on test step. If it's tested as example, so both of them has this check button. Now you can publish it, and once you click on publish, this thing will be automated forever. Whenever you receive a new email, they will send this specific message on Slack. Of course, as I said before, you cannot just connect it to specifically Slack. You can change here the app. As you can see, more than 7,000 apps to choose from. So connect it to whatever you want, and that's how you use Gmail on Zapier. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching. If you have any issues or as an example problem, you can type it down below in the comment section. I'll try to do it as soon as possible or answer you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.